Hi, I'm Egan, and today I'm going to show you how to grow food from your kitchen scraps and seeds from your spice cabinet. I teach horticulture at UBC Botanical Garden, but lately I've been working from home. We've also been cooking a lot more from home, and to try to reduce our kitchen waste, we're going to grow lettuce, celery, bok choy, and beets from kitchen scraps. Lettuce leaves are attached to this structure called a basal plate. And if you preserve the basal plate and a few leaves at the center of the shoot, you can take this and put it in a jar of water by a windowsill and the lettuce leaves will regrow. In the same way that you can grow lettuce, you can also grow celery and bok choy. You only need to put a few centimeters of water in the jar, and it's best to change the water every day. I love beets. They taste great, they're good for you, and the color is amazing. I also really like eating beet greens. Now, you're not going to have success regrowing the beetroot this way, but if you preserve the top of the beet and you can cut the greens off, same thing. You put that in a jar of water, put it by a windowsill, and you can regrow the beet greens. And don't forget about seeds from the kitchen. You can separate tomato seeds by pulsing them gently with a hand blender and then rinsing them off in a sieve. There's lots of seeds that'll grow from the spice cabinet, like this fennel and brown mustard seeds. Why not have fun growing things like dragon fruit from seed? Look at the seedlings I grew with the students. Who knew that dragon fruit was a cactus? It's fun growing plants inside, but they'll actually do better outside. So here's a few good tips for growing plants outdoors in containers. Use a general purpose potting mix that drains well, and make sure to pre-moisten it before you use it. Your container must have a drainage hole, and you don't need to put any gravel in the bottom. Just overfill the container, tap it 3 times, level it off with your finger, and then just nestle the veggie scrap into the surface of the soil. And if you're growing plants from seed, you only need to sow a few in a small pot. And if you sow a new batch every 2 weeks, 1 pack of seed will last you all summer. Let your plants dry down before you water, and when you do, water thoroughly until the water drains out the bottom of the pot. Our balcony isn't very big, but I found a sunny corner to start all of our new plants. It feels so good to have something to nurture.